Hey, Bandit. Play.
I think that's why I told you about
Got a new toy. Oh, where you gonna go? Hello. Where's it go?
Nobody can know what you saw.
No, Remy. Hi, Bandit. Hi, Bandit. Go play with your new toys. Go play with your new toys.
Michael loves his giraffe, that's for sure.
You gonna play with your brother? Huh? You got an itch.
Maybe you can
You scratch it.
use the big surprise.
Remy, leave the thing alone over there.
Okay.
Here, get your new toys.
Okay, well, I can't get into too much detail, but there's been an unexpected shift. And I think that it's really gonna help Michael.
That's all you're telling me?
Remy, stop it.
I'm so sick of secrets. Come on.
Two things.
Remy, quit.
First thing that Sonny is in peace talks with a rival, and we're both hopeful that it's gonna work out.
There's a
The
big
second
poodle.
thing is,
Remy, quit now. Don't tear his playpen up.
I told Sonny that someone else
He's
had
getting,
to take
he's
over
getting.
and force her duty. I want to stay
Sit
away
down.
from the violence.
Sit down. Sit down.
You're doing everything.
Let these puppies play. Hi, Bandit. Oh, you're pretty. He's a handsome puppy.
Start somewhere and
Yeah.
look on our side.
Yeah, you see those old poodles?
Joey, to see the obvious.
You get you wagging your tail.
If a war
Wagging your
goes
tail.
down, we all lose. If Joey Limbo, he's unreliable. He won't turn on a dime. If he does, we'll deal with it. Hope you know by now you can trust me. That's a good thing.
Quit now.
To,
Remy?
reassign certain
Here, get your bone. Get your bone. That was funny you carried your bone around.
If the peace talks don't go well,
There you go.
okay, you're going to have to get your hands dirty. You understand me? And I can't have a repeat
Sit down.
of what happened with Tommy Soda. Is it clear? Let's go. I'll give the order. Make sure it gets done.
Hello,
We
Bandit.
are way overdue for a talk about boundaries. That'll limit the threat we pose to my family.
Oh, y'all stop.
I love that sweater. Is that cashmere? Yeah, I think it's deep. Wow. This one's okay. That would be fast. That's very stuff.
Oh, gonna take a rest?